Here the day starts early. This is the home of the freest hens in Portugal, responsible for matinados eggs.
My name is Rui Crespo, and I am an administrator at Grupo CAC. The CAC Group is one of the largest egg producers in Portugal, and it has been operating for more than 3 decades. It is a pioneer in poultry farming. Today, the CAC Group is a fully vertically integrated company, controlling everything from the breeding farms to feed, centralized systems, and egg products. With over 3 million laying hens, 48 facilities, and 4 breeding systems, including organic, free-range, barn, and cage systems, with the latter accounting for 40%. We have 2 factories that are equipped with the latest technology to improve the quality of the feed. We operate 5 packaging centers in Portugal and handle the distribution and logistics of our delicious eggs ourselves. Having worked at this level for so long means having trusted employees and partners by our side, who will never disappoint us.
I am Manuel Sobrero, Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Group CAC. In 2010, we decided to seek a new coding and marking partner. After careful consideration, we chose Domino as our technology partner to guarantee our products' secure and long-lasting identification across the entire value chain. With this collaboration, we are confident that we will maintain our position as a reference in the European and international market.
A free hen is a happier and healthier hen. She lays more and better eggs that must be collected from the nests daily. No egg is left behind, and our main character's journey begins now. The best eggs are ready to receive a special passport stamp powered by Domino printing and labeling technologies. It is here, in our egg grading center, where we separate the valuable eggs from the rest using a comprehensive verification process.
My name is Tiago Ribeiro, and I am in charge of the technical department at Grupo CAC. We receive the eggs here for classification and sorting using Moba equipment. After this process, the eggs are coded using Domino brand equipment.
This line processes thousands of eggs with precise timing where every second counts. It ensures the highest standards of hygiene and food safety. Domino's technology plays a crucial role by encoding the shell of each egg, providing a vital passport for the eggs to be distributed to the market.
My name is Miguel Castelo Branco, and I am an account manager at Domino Portugal. Domino focuses on creating custom solutions to meet the needs of our customers in the egg production industry. Our equipment marks each eggshell with what we call the egg code. If necessary, the code enables us to trace the eggs from the point of sale or from the consumer to the breeding unit to identify any possible issues.
Domino's solutions are integrated throughout the entire packaging chain, starting from the eggshell. The coding process is carried out using special Domino inks, which are produced in compliance with good manufacturing practices, local food legislation, European Union standards, FDA regulations, Chinese food regulations, and the regulations on food additives and kosher. Domino technologies also cover packaging labeling, the shipping box, and the pallet that is sent for distribution. Without proper coding and labeling, matinados eggs would never reach store shelves. Each correctly coded egg and its packaging serve as a seal of trust for consumers, ensuring that they are purchasing a high-quality product for themselves and their families. Tomorrow will be a new day for collecting and coding our fantastic eggs.